welcome to Royal Roadie once again, and today I'm going to disclose a new silencer for my BS6, that is the Roading Wild Boar Silencer, which I have got from Amazon. I've already opened this. You will get this bush for BS4 and BS6 both, and this two clamps which will be needed while fitting the silencer. And I keep it this way. Here is my silencer, a Wild Boar one. This is the one. This is the one. Look, I bought it from Amazon, and this is Globe Wild Boar Silencer, the Globe branding. It's quite heavy. They say it's 2 kilo, but it weighs like 5 kilo. So I'm going to install it in my BS6, because the sound that BS6 has provided is not a Royal Enfield sound. I'm not at all satisfied with this sound, so that is why I have decided. I've already opened this. First of all, you need to open this. Okay. In order to open this screw, you have to first open this, because it gets covered right away. Okay. You can't open this screw without opening this one. So you have to open this with size 10. Range, okay, so it will easily get opened, and these are the screws. These are the screws that are opened. I have kept it aside, and then afterwards I have used the other side, that is size 12 range, to open this one, this screw, okay, which holds this part of the silencer with this exhaust. Okay, open this one as well. And now what I need to do is that I have to use this 12 size of range once again to open this one. Look, I have already loosened this up, so I need to open this one first. Now I have already opened this clamp, okay, the screw of this clamp, and now I will use this 17-inch range for opening this one, okay, this foot pedal, because this is what is connected to the big clamp, okay. So I will use this one. You have to first give this support. I have already loosened a little bit, okay, so it will be easy for you to open. You have to do this way until it opens, okay? Already opened this one. Now it will come off easily. Okay, it will come off easily now. This way. This is the nut. Boy, it was real hard work. And now, just move it a little backward. Let's keep it to the side. Now everything is open. I have first opened this two nuts. After that I have opened this one, and then this with the 12 mm nut range, and this with the 17 mm. Now you have to just push it, and it will come off like this. This is my BS6 stock silencer. I have opened it successfully by myself, all by myself. So these are the two clamps. These are the identical clamps that were given with my Wild Boar Silencer, which I am going to fit right now. But before fitting you have to use this bush, which is important, because otherwise the ear passes through, and if the ear passes through, you won't get the proper sound from the bike and the engine pressure doesn't work right away. So this is the way you start rolling. So I'm using this. I've already put this bush here, and you have to put it at the end point. Okay, so the bush is fit already. You will need this one hammer. A triple H hammer is needed for this. So I have already fitted this Globe Wild Boar Silencer. So fitting is really easy. You can do it at home. You just have to install these two clamps in the proper place. Just have to take out the screws from this Royal Enfield stock silencers and set it up in the Wild Boar one. And it is all fitted. I have already fitted this one, and let's hear the sound now. I'll give you three versions of sound. One is the proper sound, and another is the pure sound while riding, and the other is the flyby sound. So let's hear it. So I have successfully installed this Globe Wild Boar Silencer in my Royal Enfield BS6 bike. Now let's hear the sound. So this is the total review of my Globe Premium Wild Boar Silencer, and the personal experience is that it sounds like a beast. Now it feels good to ride a BS6 bike, and this is recommended. So let's use it for 2 or 3 months, and then I'll give you a detailed review as to how it performs on road. So basically you have to experience it in real life. You cannot just realize how the sound is in a phone or microphone, because in real life it feels like very deep it has a very loud as well as a bassy sound, so it feels like it's good. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel Royal Rodi, and like my channel and keep supporting. Thank you so much.